Tell a nigga. Gotta tell these niggas. Tell a nigga. Gotta tell these niggas. Riding down the floor with the woofers in the back. Riding down the floor with the woofers in the back. I ain't talking about speakers, had the shooters in the back. Started out in the trenches, I was hustling all night. I was out there getting money, wearing the same thing twice. Couldn't care about the rumors, I had pockets full of cash. Couldn't even trust my man, I had to hide my own stash. It went down at the club when I was in my stripper bag, but it didn't last long, I got tired of shaking that. Imagine being broke, you had to turn to OnlyFans. And at the time you wasn't single, you had permission from your mans. And he ain't even put in work, but wanna help you spin them bands. He wasn't shooting in the gym, he wasn't even in the stands. Tell that nigga fuck you, gon' kick him to the curb. If I'm paying all the bills, ain't no way you gon' splurge. I'ma get this good pussy to a nigga I deserve. How you slip through all the cracks, I shouldn't have fucked you in the first. What's understood won't be explained. Can I pull up right beside you, make deposits at the bank? We getting to the money, or you gon' go against the grain? Baby, I stand with them numbers, baby got good brain. I'm looking for a rider, we ain't gotta have a title. Make it flood like idol when I suck 'em like a sniper. I want the bus, I want the run, I said El Jefe, not the brother. I be Khaleesi, you can teach me dragging bitches, they can't beat me. I don't want him if another can influence how he fuck with me. And I don't really want him if he ain't already in love with me. I want my thug nice, cause I mean, can he fuck with me? Only time I listen is between the sheets. Remember on my birthday, got a card from a nigga, and he didn't even have the decency to leave his fucking signature. I knew from then on out I wouldn't care what it's about. If VVS don't come in, sorry, I ain't tryna hear him out. Tell that nigga fuck you, gon' kick him to the curb. If I'm paying all the bills, ain't no way you gon' splurge. I'ma get his good pussy to a nigga I deserve. How you slip through all the cracks, I shouldn't have fucked you in the first. Back up, back out. I ain't like these other bitches, never had my hand out. Way before I'm down bad, I trap out a Cash App. Shout out to all my niggas showing love on Snapchat. I'ma get it out the mud and I'ma be about my business. If I get it from another, I ain't asking for forgiveness. Niggas always talking shit, but they don't ever seem to listen. He gon' cut up when he see me rolling with his competition. Tell that nigga fuck you, gon' kick him to the curb. If I'm paying all the bills, ain't no way you gon' splurge. I'ma get his good pussy to a nigga I deserve. How you slip through all the cracks, I shouldn't have fucked you in the first. Niggas be feeling all entitled, like they irreplaceable, like your replacement not standing right next to you. Boy, bye.